what's up to all of my girls that want a snatched core. We're gonna be doing another deep core exercise today. Now this one is gonna be a tiny bit more advanced. We're still gonna start with the deep core breathing just on its own. We're gonna be practicing protecting the pearl. Then we're gonna introduce a new exercise that will incorporate that deep core breathing so that you can practice protecting the pearl with some movement. This is how you're gonna get that snatched waist, a really controlled core, and really good pelvic floor control as well. So remember to start out, we're always picturing in our head that there's a little precious pearl that's gonna end up in our belly button, and we're using all of the surrounding muscles from our core and our pelvic floor to wrap around and protect that precious pearl within our belly button. The cue that I like to use to help you engage your pelvic floor is a little bit silly. Remember, you have to be mature about it. I like to imagine that that little precious pearl is starting out inside your butthole, and you're using the muscles to scoop that pearl up and tuck it into the belly button. And that's when you use all the muscles afterwards to protect the pearl and surround the pearl inside your belly button. So when you take a big breath in, your inhale, you're gonna focus on expanding everything within your abdomen region. It's all gonna fill up like a big balloon. And when you exhale, that's when you scoop the pearl out of your butthole, wrap it around, and tuck it into the belly button. I'll show you what it looks like from the side. One more time, inhale, and then exhale, protect the pearl. So let's do 5 breaths like that together. You can either do it kneeling like I do, or if it is more comfortable for you to lay on your back, some people prefer that as well. We're gonna do 5 breaths. Ready, inhale, exhale, just 1, inhale, exhale, there's 2, protect the pearl. Inhale, exhale, there's 3, protect the pearl. Inhale, exhale, there's 4, protecting that pearl. And last one, inhale, exhale, and hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, the exercise that we're going to practice with this breathing is gonna be some toe taps. So you're gonna lay on your back and you're gonna have your legs up in tabletop here. Whenever you're putting the leg down to tap the ground, that's when you're gonna inhale and fill the belly with air. As you come back up, that's when you're gonna practice protecting the pearl. So as the toe comes back up into tabletop, you're gonna picture the pearl coming out of your butthole and tucking into the belly button, all of the muscles wrapping around it to protect it. So this is what it will look like. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, other leg. Exhale. We're gonna do 10 on each side, so 20 total. Okay, starting with the left leg, and we'll just alternate back and forth until we hit 20. Ready? Exhale, protect the pearl. Other side. There's 5. There's 10. Halfway. Last two. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and release. Great job, I'm so proud of you. I hope that you were able to feel your core engaged. Come back next time for a little bit more of an advanced exercise.